misconduct. Just idea emphata ya no politics.
Higher mamu
nantin chicha. Even intra-party politics. Omutimi wo sa
akunya nkankan se akunya beto.
Ato. And when they split to regroup no ebeye den. And I mean who say our politicians they are not there for us but for themselves. Omu interest inti no omuko. Because say we shall struggle cry NDC say omo abamu. Enyema omu yen we chire
internal wranglings
time. Buso omu say adentina ko fibu achi a otiwoi opese ono nkwan be ye Ghana ye which kufi ade obitima ye bia kitikititi. Until me break it down the tenure of office of the president to months. 48 months and President Mahama war. Because 1 month, 1 year be 12.
Yeah.
Times 4. 48 months. We can break it down to hours. And as the clock tick no keke na umre no sorti. Say President Mahama by 17 months any. A then a young a year from what the MPP were doing. And the same thing. And the same thing. Bauniachi $2 Edikinuma IGP if it was true. So say dollar say stabilize. And the mama. Gina pay Emma dollar thing kenze na afedi ne yehomete. Emma haircut na PP. Enti say yenjai nantini twitwa ene Enyema yenya yenim se ade we ya ye enye ye honto eda ena MPP vote because when NDC was in opposition na judiciary in sem ya anti unanimous FC as a day almost say judiciary no ye tembia omko bibia absolute for the sitting government. So say dey you yes we boy wa kikre yes bra say you buying a sanction say institutions na you omajuma who knows because of precedents and yema AC nti yes ye be chichire yema ya sasu any buying you know to me dey chichire Ghana ama yenya hoto say obi kura criticize obi a say a vilification and insult say nipa no when you dinner tema untimi criticizing na me there are characters in NDC the way I omo ye omo niema no ebi wo ho a ya na mempe especially communicators in both parties wo kasa kire nipa wo de ye tua wo ka na wo ye adwuma na me na wo di me so nti wo de ahantan ne akakabrinsem kasa hu say o say mine because it was so cha ye be say ye man ye hu bi da 1970s na champion take over Kufu be shame Rollins no na yesa no man kitinkiti we ya na eboabo na asem frama moti amframa e fa twa no sa bunsa gadam futuro no say yanhwe ya ye be say ye man e na oman ya yetimu no some institutions are and say strong no more weaken and the government is so strong that the president appoint almost everybody who should not be done. Other than nipa ba kono a obedi 48 months no what second I saw esim from memo ebokoba we are here who President Mahama ya NDC fui bonumrani o de momu another candidate to replace him when he is no more. Nefshe sesa gonja de se kronkron esrim se jatano ubeti biema ye de yehu politicians because ye yakono woma diagro nsonum and they are there for themselves, they are not there for the nation. Senye sa enke womo ma enkoto tolan cruiser ne nkola de dafom ena etro akwala asabi yetiti na jaw me amano no wo dafom futrom ena wo tro odi sua de na ebi kuta tablet ebi so chalk ebi so whiteboard with markers. Ebi so chalk na prugu teacher for ye na some crying now through the same exams. And your mind ben ye teacher the largesse and penifonia no ni here yen. Or your penidia car no. And I'm saying one the car and the capacity no engineer about whatever horsepower no see kwama or no motor DNA ni mo bi ankonchen no mra. One of you so the preceding government, you know, we have run way down. To say MPP, a day pan or yeah, no more de NDC for come for. They know their strategies, how they get the power to make money for themselves and their families.